चलिए, as we know that the education is very important. Without education, it can't be possible to survive in the society. और चलिए अब हम आज बात करेंगे कृष्णा इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल में। हमारे साथ आज के जो मेहमान हैं ऋषि रंजन सर हैं, एज ए इंग्लिश टीचर यहाँ पे वर्क कर रहे हैं और बच्चे को बहुत ही समझिए कि इंग्लिश तो पढ़ा ही रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन। सर, आपसे प्रश्न रहेगा कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन आईसीएसई एंड सीबीएसई? सर।
Okay, thank you, sir. First of all, I say thanks to you that you come from a very far distance, and I am welcoming you in my school. Here I am teaching the English subject to the students for making his life wonderful. Without English, today life is nothing, because in Bihar, obviously, when we talk about the English language, some people laugh on others that he say English, but English is very important and must learn language for this generation. Now I tell you differences between ICSE board and CBSE board.
Yeah.
ICSE board is very tough board, and it's like difference like a BPSC and UPSC. CBSE board questions are so easy in the competition of ICSE board. In ICSE, when students come to the class 6, his subjects are going to increases. Like in CBSE board, physics, chemistry, biology, history, civics, geography, economics are explored in the 9th class. But in ICSE board, these books, this subject like physics, chemistry, bio, geography, history, civics, economics, and more like that, they are going to be explored in class 6. And when we talk about the subject maths is also tough. Like the students of ICSE board reading in class 8, they can solve the question of class 12 of CBSE board. Now come to the English language. ICSE board have a special focus on the language, and the language is English. If you want to learn English, first try to speak without hesitation. If you have hesitation in yourself, then you are feeling uncomfortable in talking with others. ICSE board exams conducted by CICSE, and this board is belong from the Delhi, but mainly in India, this is a very rare board. Only few places have this board, because no one can afford this board, because this is very tough board.
Yeah.
And for all of you, I try to say that if you have success in your life, if you do hard work, then nothing is impossible. ICSE board give you a certificate that in any place you go with that certificate, just after 12th, your job and your knowledge give you appropriate place which is suitable for your life. So all of you, please try to become a perfect person, and becoming a successful person, you have to choose a wonderful school, not by the money, not by the lookness, but you have to listen to the voice of your own child, that what he want. If they want to study in this school, in ICSE board, then please come to my school, visit to my school. I show you how my students are talking about himself or about this school. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, sir. Already we have talked to the Rishi Ranjan sir. Rishi Ranjan sir, well done. They have explained about the differences between the ICSE and CBSE board. They have already said that the CBSE is very easy board nowadays, but the students be rare interested because the parents are giving the pressure. If I am directly telling to all the parents, all the public, if you want your ward in the government sector, then must send them to the ICSE board, because ICSE board, Krishna International Public School are providing the ICSE board, ICSE medium, because English, Math, Science, each and every subject they are providing the best quality of education, and education is the key to success. Without education it can't be possible to survive in this world. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि स्कूल कहां पर, कृष्णा इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल जो है आपका कैलाश नगर, कस्बा जहानाबाद, और मोबाइल नंबर 9155767308 8340765418। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए। कुमार रोशन, भारत न्यूज 24 पटना।